Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous sessions, we designed the cart and handled item removals. Today we are going to perform the most critical part of the checkout flow, the total price calculation, including a dynamic delivery fee system based on location. Calculating a total is not just about adding up product prices. A professional system needs to handle shipping costs intelligently. Today I will show you how to write a PHP logic that calculates delivery fee based on the distance between the buyer and the seller, ensuring your platform's profitability and accuracy. Now let's go to our website. This is my cart. I go to my home page and add another product to my cart. Then I turn into cart and you can see the subtotal price. Subtotal is the sum of the product cost and delivery fee. It based on the location. Total. Total is the sum of subtotal and delivery fee. Now I remove the product. You can see the real-time process. Subtotal, delivery fee and total will be changed. So this is the process of our total price and delivery fee processing part. Now let's dive into our code. The script starts by identifying the distance between the buyer and the seller to calculate a fair shipping cost. First, we fetch the city ID from the user profile table for the logged in user. This is our starting point for the delivery calculation. We use a $sign seller SIM card array to ensure a professional user experience. If a buyer purchases 3 different skills from the same instructor, we only change them one delivery fee, which saves the customer money and increases trust. Inside our loop, we compare the seller's city with the buyer's city. If they are in the same city, the fee is $200. If it's a different city, the fee increases to 500 rupees. And look at this front end part. This part is designed to keep the final price always visible to the user. We use the city top 24 class on our side element. This ensures that even if the cart is full of items, the proceed to checkout button and the total price follow the user as they scroll. Transparency is key. We added a small group relative tooltip next to the delivery fee. When a user hovers over the question mark icon, a hidden div appears to explain exactly how the 200 or 500 rupees was calculated. And the most impressive part of this video is how the price updates instantly. This is asynchronous refresh. When an item is removed, the remove from cart.php script sends back the new subtotal, delivery, and total as a JSON object. In JavaScript, we use to local string with minimum 15 digits to this ensures that our prices are always formatted correctly with commas and 2 decimals directly on the user's screen without a page reload. This is our remove from cart.php file. Before we start counting, we need a clean slate. $sign subtotal assigned to 0 to add up the prices of all skills left in the cart. $sign total delivery fee equal to 0 to accumulate the shipping cost. Seller in cart. This is an empty map. We use this to track which sellers we have already charged for delivery. $sign item count. To keep track of how many items are remaining to update the cart batch. The processing loop. We use a while loop to go through every single item currently in the user's database cart. $sign subtotal float $12 item price. This adds the current sales price to our running total. If is set $sign seller in cart $sign seller ID. This checks if we have already calculated a delivery fee for this specific instructor. If we have not, we calculated it 200 rupees if the buyer and seller are in the same city and 500 rupees if they are not. We then save that seller's ID into the $sign sellers in cart array. This ensures that even if the buyer has 5 skills from the same seller, they only pay the 4 delivery fee once. After the load finish, we have final numbers. We need to send them back to our front end in a format it understands. JSON encode. This converts our PHP array into a JSON object. Number format. This is a professional touch. We ensure every value has exactly 2 decimal places. The payload. We send back the subtotal, delivery total, and the new item, and that's how you program a robust location-aware calculation engine for your skill shopping cart. By combining PHP loops with smart seller grouping logic, we have ensured that our platform is both accurate for our instructors and fair for our buyers. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for joining with me, and I'll see you again with another video. So have a nice day all, and goodbye.